Here's what we have going on now. We have some clouds around the Chicago area, and we'll see some clouds moving in off Lake Michigan. And we've seen some snowflakes mixed in with this as well. So you might see some flurries in the air, especially near the lake this morning. And again, tonight you may see some flurries, maybe even a snow shower in the air. And during the warmer hours of the day, some of those could fall as raindrops. All of this is not a big deal, though. 35 degrees at O'Hare, and winds out of the north at 9 miles an hour, triggering that lake effect that we've been looking at as we go through the day. 39 degrees for a high with mostly cloudy skies and maybe some snowflakes near the lake. Take a look at our satellite radar tracker, and you can see this is a little bit later this morning, about 9:30 in the morning. Some snowflakes coming in down the lake, and the same thing continues as we go through the morning. And then later on tonight, you could see another batch, just a quick snow shower move through the Chicago area. Again, doesn't amount to much, but in case you see some flakes in the air, that's why. So as we go through the day, your normal high this time of year is 38 degrees. We'll have 39. We stay dry all week until we get late in the day on Friday. Then we could see some rain around here, some precip. 42 on Monday, 42 on Tuesday, and a nice warm-up midweek to the 50s.